Hello class 10th. In this video, I'm continue the chapter 5.5, and before that I want to tell you that some of you are not sending your assignment. Send your assignment regularly. See the video and try to understand the question and send. Now I'm taking question number 11 of 5.5 exercise, in which a two-digit number contains the bigger at tens place and the product of the digit is 27 and the difference between the two digit is 6. Find the number. So here in question we'll take let the digit at tens place be x. Because the product of two digit is 27, so the digit at units place will be 27 upon x, and the difference of these two number is 6. So here the x is bigger than the digit at units place. So x minus 27 upon x equals to 6. So if we take the LCM, x will be the LCM. X into x is x square minus 27 equals to 6. X square minus 27 equals to 6x, and if we bring this over here, then x square minus 6x minus 27 equals to 0. And I think this is a change in quadratic equation, and I think that you can solve this question to get the value of x. But how will you find out the required number? The required number will be equal to 10x, 10, because this x is at tens place, so we will multiply it by 10 plus the unit place number. So whatever the answer will get from here, put that value over here in place of this x and get the required number. I am taking question number 13. In this question, the question is a rectangle of area 105 centimeter square has its length equal to x. So here in 13 question, the area is given, area of the rectangle field is given 105 centimeter square and length is given x. We know that the area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth, or breadth is equals to area upon length. So area is 105 and length is x. So in terms of x, the value of breadth is 105 upon x. Now here the perimeter of rectangle is given. So perimeter equals to twice of length plus breadth. So this is 2, L is x plus breadth is 105 upon x is equals to 44 according to the question. Now we'll take this 2 to other side and take the LCM over here. X is the LCM. X into x is x square plus 105 equals to 44 upon 2, which will be equal to 22. So x square plus 105 equals to 22x, and if we bring this 22x to this side, then x square minus 22x plus 105 equals to 0. So this has changed into in the form of the quadratic equation, and I think you can solve this quadratic equation to get the value of x. If you get the value of x, you can get the value of length, and by this you can get the value of breadth also. Now I'll start question number 17. The lengths of the parallel side of a trapezium are x plus 9 and 2x minus 3 centimeter, and the distance between them is x plus 4 centimeter. If its area is 540 centimeter square, find the value of x. So here first of all you should know the area of trapezium. The formula of area of trapezium. Area of trapezium is equals to half sum of parallel sides multiplied by height. So here 1 upon 2 sum of parallel sides. The parallel sides are x plus 9 and 2x minus 3. X plus 9 plus 2x minus 3 multiplied by the height. Height is x plus 4 and the area is 540. So if we solve this, x plus 2x is 3x plus 9 minus 3 is 6 multiplied by x plus 4 is equals to, we'll multiply 540 by 2, we get 1080. We'll open the bracket, 3x square plus 12x plus 6x plus 24 minus 1080 equals to 0. So this will be equal to 3x square plus 18x minus 1056 equals to 0. Now 3 is common in all. We can take it out. X square plus 6x minus 3 3 is 9, 3 5 is 15, 3 2 is 6 equals to 0. X square plus 6x minus 352 equals to 0. Now this has come in the form of quadratic equation, and I think you can solve this to get the value of x. And here in this question you have to find out the value of x only. Now I am explaining question number 25. In this question, a bus covers a distance of 240 km at a uniform speed. Due to heavy rain, its speed gets reduced by 10 km per hour, and as such it takes 2 hours longer to cover the total distance. Assuming the uniform speed to be x km per hour, form an equation and solve it for evaluate of x. So here in this 25th question, the total distance is equals to 240 kilometer and the uniform speed of bus is equals to x kilometer per hour. Now the time taken by the bus to cover the distance. Time taken, the formula to find out the time when the speed and distance are given. Time taken is distance upon speed. So this will be equal to 240 upon x. But due to heavy rain, the speed of the bus reduced by 10 km per hour. It means now the new speed is equals to x minus 10 km per hour, and the distance is same. So at this stage, new time will be equal to 240 upon x minus 10. So here it is taking 2 hours more than the previous time. It means the equation will become 240 upon x minus 10 equals to 240, the time taken earlier, plus 2, because it's taking 2 hours more than the previous time. So here we will solve this equation. We'll bring this 240 upon x to this side. It will become 240 upon x minus 10 minus 240 upon x is equals to 2. We'll take the LCM. When the denominators are not same of two fractions, their product is the LCM. And when their product is the LCM, we cross multiply the number. Means this will be multiplied by 240. So it will become 240 into x minus 240 multiplied by x minus 10 equals to 2. So if you open the bracket, 240x minus 240x, and this minus minus will become plus, 2400 equals to 2x, x minus 10. Here 240x will be cancelled by 240. and if we open the bracket, we can divide this 2400 by 2 also. So it will become, if we open the bracket, we get x square minus 10x minus 1200 equals to 0. Now this has come in the form of quadratic equation. You can solve this question to get the value of x, and I think you have understood the questions which I have explained in this video. And if you don't understand any question, just let me know with your assignment. Give me the question number. I will try to explain that question in the next coming video.